in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Black Ops 2 Zombies offline on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to play Black Ops 2 Zombies offline, then you will have to download an additional program. Basically, as it stands today, if you are trying to play the official, purchased, licensed version of Black Ops 2 through Steam, you will not be able to set up an offline Zombies mode match. If you are playing through Steam, you will be required to go online. So if you want to do offline, you will need Plutonium. Plutonium is essentially a launcher for all Call of Duty games, including Black Ops 2. The main focus of Plutonium is making it easier to diagnose issues with older games, fix bugs and glitches that Activision didn't bother to fix, and essentially makes the process of setting up matches much easier. So you will need to download Plutonium first, and after you acquire Plutonium, you need to download the offline launcher for Plutonium. It is known as LAN launcher, so I'm showing you here on the official support website or the forum. So first, make sure that you download Plutonium, and after you acquire this, you can download LAN Launcher. It is available on GitHub, so look for this page on Google and then click on this link, or look for LAN Launcher on GitHub directly. Choose the option here at the right side of the screen and download the latest release. You can also do this process manually, but it will involve a lot more steps. As you can see, you have to create files, rename them, but if you want to do this yourself instead of downloading a random program, look for this article on the forums as well. Once you have LAN Launcher, all that you have to do is locate the Black Ops 2 folder, so you choose it here, and you choose the option to launch it. Make sure that you select Zombies, as you can see here, launch T6, and immediately upon launching, you are good to go. You will then be able to go over to Zombies and choose solo play without any issues, and you will be playing fully offline. You will load into the preferred map, and you can start playing alone. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Black Ops 2 Zombies offline PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.